The best thing which I learned is self-management is very important to manage the team and to manage the company. And the second best thing it was the time management log. That we have to check, we have to make an audit of the employees of the team कि शाम को क्या हो रहा है, सुबह क्या हो रहा है. So it's a good thing जिससे कि पता चल जाएगा कि कौन कितना करा है किसने. It's a good thing for assessment, for weekly assessment and for monthly assessment. Basically, overall the training was amazing, and it will help us a lot in our future. Thanks.
My name is Ashutosh Bhardwaj. I'm a director of Team MMPO. Today what we have learned is how to manage time, self-management के बारे में हमने सीखा, how to implement small processes to make your time more efficient, more utilized, how to avoid the distractions, कैसे we can focus on delivery. In the whole process we learn how to manage the time and do the self-growth.